that some immediate relief can be given to
One major area of concern for us was the need to make the program more community oriented. We would not like to see DREAM as just a government initiative, but because it's very important that in order to eliminate and eradicate the menace of drugs and narcotics, we need to broaden the involvement of civil society. And one of the areas of discussion was on the revamping and reorganizing and also to look at the possibility of organizing the village defense parties especially in the identified hotspots, including the city of Shillong. So in the last two sessions of interactions with the Pashtuns, there was a general consensus that the Shnongs would like to be involved in identifying and also tackling this menace. So today's discussion, we focused on the possibility of strengthening the presence of VDPs across the state of Meghalaya, and discussions on the menace of drug trafficking and drug use in the state of Meghalaya. The meeting was organized under the aegis of the DREAM mission, that is the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission. And at today's meeting, we had the presence of officials of the Home Police Department, officers of the Department of Social Welfare, various NGOs involved in the fight against drugs at various levels, the Malaria AIDS Control Society, and members of the mission, the DREAM mission. The discussions were wide-ranging and covered a lot of areas. We reviewed the progress of the DREAM mission, the various interventions that have taken place, and also we looked at the way forward and how to address the gaps that we noticed in tackling the menace of drugs.
As Honorable Minister mentioned, the VDPs have an important role to play because sometimes they assist the police in terms of seizure of these drugs, and they are the independent witnesses, because in any case that has to come before the court of law, an independent witness is very important. So the police had mentioned that aspect. Therefore, what Honorable Minister mentioned, that strengthening the VDP system, because they anyway are playing a role, but playing a role for this prevention of narcotics and seizure of narcotics, strengthening them will help in terms of building a better case leading to conviction in the court of law.
We are supporting as many as nine de-addiction centers, and also the addiction activities that are taking place. For instance, the latest example I can cite is Molai, where the community came forward to accommodate these users, but all the facilities, including food, the stay, and the counseling that happened, was done entirely with funding of the government, the Social Welfare Department. Well, one of the gaps was, for instance, the fact that the various Shnongs felt that they are not adequately empowered, and for some of them to even identify and be involved in the process of taking a person, an accused, and registering cases against them in the police station becomes a very cumbersome task. So that was one area. And we thought that better policing would happen if we are able to involve the communities through the VDPs. That is going to be a major initiative that we are going to revamp and revive the presence of VDPs across the state. Duties and functions of these VDPs include A. to assist the police in the maintenance of law and order, peace and tranquility when needed. Okay, then to carry out patrol and watch in the area allotted for the party to prevent theft, burglaries, dacoities and other unlawful activities for protection of public lives and properties, and 3. to prevent commission of crime. So drugs come under certainly under the ambit of the duties and functions of these VDPs, and they will be adequately trained. There are various sections that deal with this particular aspect, and we will be calling very shortly a general meeting involving the various Ashrams, beginning with Greater Shillong city. Well, we will address this issue by trying to tighten the grip of the state, because these rules under NDPS can be amended from time to time as and when the need arises, so that aspect can be covered. Well, on the de-addiction centers, we have made repeated appeals for the community to come forward, and more than anything else, we also need the presence of professionals, because they would be the one who will be giving the counseling, the proper counseling. Then we also need medical intervention on a daily basis. These are challenges which we will try to overcome under this mission, and taking a cue from what the Mawlai Town Darbar has done, we are making this fervent plea to the other Darbars to also come forward, and together we can set up more de-addiction centers. And on the other aspect which you mentioned, there is activism on the part of NGOs, but we think that the correct course of action would be for us to engage the local community, which is why the idea of reviving the VDPs is very important, because then members of civil society can assist in tackling the menace of drugs in a manner which is legal and which is acceptable under the legal framework, without them unwittingly helping the case of the accused by, for example, tampering with evidence, snatching the consignment from the drug users and peddlers, which then would become difficult for us to build up a case against the accused in a court of law.